playful or what? Surprised that cats haven't been hit by cars. So much fun. Here she goes. Hi, Callie. Hi, Callie.
Callie's looking for a bird.
Yeah, always.
You get your bike, Taylor.
Stevie!
Those little white legs.
Stevie! Hi, Stevie!
Hi, Stevie.
Where's Mama?
He's keeping an eye on her, don't
Where's
you?
Mama?
Where's Kitty? Call the kitty. Stevie, call Kitty. Boy, lots of ladies out there today.
Joyce out there too.
I haven't seen her, but I'm sure she is. She always comes out late and plays late. There's dirt in your shoes?
Take it off there.
Don't go in the street, Stevie.
Can you unlace it to untie it? And I'll shape it for you.
Her grass is getting thick. That's sweet. Sweet to listen. Did you get it cleaning out her shoe?
Yeah.
Stevie's waving at the
Stevie, come here! Don't go out in the street. Come here.
He was waving at the cars, Lori.
Bye-bye, cars.
Bye-bye, cars. The trash in the background,
I
naturally.
think because you know why? They felt
Okay.
by you when you don't have the socks.
Golf course is so beautiful right now. You can see the middle part of it there. It's just gorgeous.
Look, Taylor, look. No dirt. No rocks. It won't get dirt unless you play in it. Where did he get? Smelling flowers. He likes flowers. Smelling the flower. Did you give that to Granny?
Did you pick Grammy a flower, Stevie?
I give that to oh.
Pick me a bouquet, Taylor.
Okay.
We're supposed to get more rain this weekend to cool us off, but I doubt it.
It's Saturday and Sunday. No, don't go under there, Steve. Kitty will come out.
Kitty found refuge under the car.
Kitty's hiding. Ish. Do you ride the bike? Do you ride the bike? Come on, go. You can't ride my green one. No, this one. The little one.
Taylor, are you picking some flowers? Bring them over. Show us. Hurry.
She's picking a bouquet. Takes her a while. Don't throw these keys.
It's hot out here today.
Yeah, it is. With Taylor picking flowers.
Oh yeah, I did it all.
How did your bougainvillea hold up, Lori? Okay.
Yeah, it's fine. It's still blooming. You haven't had any frost.
I didn't think so, but when you go out walking early in the morning, you see the white rooftops. We've had more frost than you think.
Taylor, what do you got there? Can I have them?
No,
You got them for me?
no, Grandma. Grandma.
Why not me?
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. A kiss to go with them? Thank you, darling.
Grandma, give them to me.
Beautiful.
Taylor picked them for me.
No, no, no!
Are you trying to make her mad?
No! Don't get my mom's flowers that I just gave her.
Is she your mom?
Yes.
No, I'm your Grammy, aren't I? Am I your Grammy?
No, you're her mom.
Well,
You gonna write some more?
did you water all these things?
Yeah, I did.
Stevie doesn't want to write. He's going up, Stevie. Let's go up. Come on up. See, we're not writing.
Can't you make your bike go, Taylor? Huh? Where's your house? This is our house. Your house? Did you buy it? I thought it was Grandpa's house. Hi, Stevie. Do you talk? Huh? What's that? Huh? Who's that? Huh? What's your name? Stevie? Huh? Laura, you just need to dump a bunch of chlorine in it, like a half a
I
gallon.
want a bucket of mouth
Huh?
fresh water. I want to chlorine it though. I will.
Chlorine it in the meantime. I can do what I did again.
Yeah, I
With
just
the drain
have to
pump.
get that there. And you know what? Matt
Stevie,
chewed up my cover.
stay up here.
Oh, no.
He's going down the steps, Laura.
Come here, Stevie. With the wind, when the wind is blowing, the cover's
Hmm?
blowing around, so Max chases after it. It's like,
Who?
it's a big toy.
Is that your big word, Mama?
It's his best word. What isn't this doing?
How old are you, Stevie?
What variety is this?
Laura, how old is Stevie now?
Stevie's 18 months.
18 months, a year and a half.
Yeah.
This is a nice color. You should have this up on your windows.
Yeah, but
Taylor, what are you doing with the milk?
wouldn't do so well.
No, but you've got buds up there.
You gonna drink it?
This one just started doing so beautifully since I put it in the shade.
Are you drinking it right out of the carton?
Out of this box.
Hmm?
What I need to do is just
Hey, don't push Stevie. Hi, Stevie. Hi. Mama? Mama? Where's Mama?
I don't think so. I don't think he has his plankton.
He has his what?
His plankton. He doesn't know Mama.
And a little plant
Do you know your mama? Who's your mama?
She's at work.
What's she doing?
She's doing her work.
What kind of work?
Hey,
Hey, what?
butterfly. Hey, Stevie, butterfly.
Taylor, don't run it. Taylor! Taylor! Come here. Taylor, come here.
Taylor. She's gonna put those.
Mom, she runs out there pretty fast. You know?
Chasing the butterfly.
So Laura, you're gonna go into LA the day after your birthday?
Is he your little boy, Taylor?
No, that's what Steve said, but yeah, but no, I don't
Give him a hug.
see what the weather's planning.
Oh, he doesn't want me to.
Yeah, he does.